Welcome everyone. Question on ionic strength. The ionic strength of the solution of 0.3 molar Na3PO4 is, choices are A 0.6, B 1.2, C 1.8, D 2.4. Answer is C 1.8. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given 0.3 molar Na3PO4 solution. Na3PO4 dissociates as 3 Na plus ions and 1 PO4 3 minus ion. Concentration of Na plus ion is equal to 0.3 into 3 for 3 Na plus ions is equal to 0.9. Concentration of PO4 3 minus ion is equal to 0.3 into 1 for 1 PO4 3 minus ion is equal to 0.3. We know that ionic strength mu is equal to 1 by 2 summation of Ci square of Zi, where C is the concentration and Z is the valency of the ion. Therefore, ionic strength mu is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.9. It is the concentration of the Na plus ion, into square of 1. It is the valency of the Na plus ion, plus 0.3. It is the concentration of the PO4 3 minus ion, into square of 3. It is the valency of the PO4 3 minus ion, or ionic strength mu is equal to 1.8. Thank you for watching this video.